Good morning. Today I'm going to be starting with packaging these pronouns masks I made last night. I have written down all the sticker sheets we are in low stock of, or any new sticker sheets we will be releasing this shop update. So let's get started. I have printed out all these sheets ready for cutting. This black square is the scanning line for the Cricut. Enjoy the time lapse of the Cricut cutting these sheets. guys, I've never actually sat down and had a talk with you guys, so I want to give a little update on YouTube and the shop and plans going forward since this is our 10th studio vlog. I've been doing YouTube for Via Brie for 2 months, and in a few months it will be 1 year since I started Via Brie. In the beginning, our main focus was face masks and scrunchies, especially due to the pandemic. Our face masks were our best-selling items. However, now with the vaccines rolling out, our face mask sales have decreased compared to the last few months. So I wanted to expand our shop into more products. I've always wanted to make stickers, memo pads, notepads, stuff like that. And I want to expand more into the stationery side so I can have more of a creative license in terms of drawing. I don't want you guys to think that we're only doing stationery stuff now, but I want to expand into this new path. We will still be continuing to release different face masks and scrunchies, but I will also be designing stickers, die-cut stickers, sticker sheets, memo pads, and notepads will be coming out soon, and eventually maybe even planners or washi tapes. As for YouTube, currently I am alternating between posting a tutorial video, so either a sewing, knitting, or crocheting video, and then a studio vlog for what I do in the shop, and I'm posting at least once a week, especially since I am in school right now, and during the summer I will be posting more often, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys liked studio vlog number 10, and don't forget to check out the shop for all the items that we released today. Again, please feel free to like and subscribe, especially if you made it all the way here, as it really helps me a lot. See you next time. Bye!